Welcome back, lessons. In this episode, we'll learn how to add and subtract polynomials step by step. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's get into the topic. And before doing that, let's have a quick recap of a polynomial. Remember, a polynomial is a math expression with variables and powers. That includes no roots and no 1 by x, which means x power minus 1. This point should be remembered. A polynomial is a math equation with variables and powers, no roots and no 1 by x. And now let's go to the next topic, like terms. Like terms are terms with the same variable and same power. Like terms are terms with the same variable and same power. Only they can be added or subtracted. Now let's go with the examples. Now 3x squared and 5x squared are like terms, whereas 3x and 4x squared are unlike terms, also called they are not like terms because the powers are not equal. Sorry, the variables, I mean. Now let's go with addition. Let's have an example question. 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 plus 4x squared plus 2x plus 5. Let's solve this question step by step. Now 2x squared. Let's add the terms with the same variables. The like terms, I mean 2x squared plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 1 plus 5, which equals to 2x squared plus 4x squared equals to 6x squared plus 5x plus 6. So this is the answer. We just grouped and added like terms. Easy, right? Now let's go with the subtraction with an example. We have this question: 5x squared plus 7x minus 2 minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 6. Now let's solve this step by step. And now when we have minus the terms in the bracket, its symbol gets changed. Now 5x squared plus 7x minus 2 minus into plus minus 3x squared minus into plus minus 4x minus into plus minus 6. And now I'll tell you some formulas and you gotta remember it. I mean some values. Plus into minus equals to minus, and minus into plus equals to minus. Plus into plus equals to plus, and so is minus into minus. And you gotta remember those values. Now we have 5x square minus 3x square equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 8. All we did here is change signs of second polynomial, then combine it. And now I'm going to give you some practice questions. We have this question: 4x square minus x plus 2 plus 3x square plus 5x minus 7 equals to, you gotta solve it. I'm giving you the options. Option A, 7x square plus 4x minus 5. Option B, 7x square plus 6x minus 9. Option C, 7x square plus 4x minus 9. And option D, we have x square plus 6x plus 5. Solve the question and drop the answer in the comments. And now we have the summary. Combine like terms only, and addition equals to just adding terms. Subtraction means changing signs and then adding. Keep terms in decreasing order of degree. X square, comma x, and then the number. And don't forget to solve the practice question and drop your answer in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for episode 4. Thanks for watching.